Okay, good morning class. Today we're going to talk about our solar systems and the planets that it consists of. Can anyone tell me at least one planet? Michael James? Mercury, okay. Alexis? Mars. Taryn? Jupiter, good job guys. Well today we're going to start with Michael James's planet because Mercury is... Alexis?
Closest to the sun.
It is closest to the sun, so we're going to take a walk to Mercury first. Up here's a diagram of Mercury. Can anyone explain or tell me what they observed? Michael?
Like bumpy and it has dents.
It has bumps and dents in it. We'll talk about that later. Lexi?
It's like shaded like white and gray.
Okay, so it's different from the sunlight. Like you see a little bit of shading or it's darker on the outside. Okay. Taryn?
It's like what Michael said.
Like what Michael said with the dents and the scratches. Good point that you guys brought that up because those are actually called craters in Mercury. Does anyone know why we get craters on Mercury or any other planet? No? Good, because today we're going to do an experiment on why. In front of you, you have substance in there, and we're going to act like this is the planet Mercury. And beside you have three different shapes and sizes of balls, marbles, or rock that you're going to act as if they are craters. You can throw them in Mercury, you can toss them in Mercury, but we want to see why craters, some are big, some are small. So we want to experiment why, right? So I want everyone to get out of their seat and then push their chair. You can try any one you want to. Okay, pick up one of your craters. All right, go. Okay, take it out. Okay, let's try our second. Ready, go. Good job. Okay, now remove that one. Okay, go. Good job. Okay, now take it out. Ooh, let's observe. She has a big one. Ooh, she had a real big one. Michael has a couple of actual dents. That's great. Okay, if you can sit back down, we're going to talk about why this is. So, can you tell me at least there's three things that affects how craters look on Mercury? Can anyone give me one about what we just observed? Alexis?
The distance you were throwing it at.
The distance you were throwing it at. Good job. I actually seen you go a pow on that one. So good. Taryn?
The size of the object.
The size of the object. That's two. Michael, can you be 3 for 3?
The weight of it.
The weight of the object. Good job, guys. So we saw the weight. We saw the height. And what else did we see? The size. Good job. So I just want you guys to take a look over here at this poster. And it says impact craters on Mercury. It says impact craters are caused when an impactor collides with the planet. So as you see, here's like actual pictures of Mercury's craters. A crater size depends on the mass, velocity, and the angle of the impactor. We're actually going to discuss exactly what you said tomorrow. And we're also tomorrow going to take a walk to Venus. That's our next planet. So thank you guys for being such great students today, and that is the end of our lesson.